made to be free.
Alright, so we're at the airport and we're about to head out actually. Everyone's excited to go on this flight. Everyone. Kenisha's excited. Kenisha, you excited? She nodded her head, so she's super excited. Aaliyah, you excited?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, she is. And Ethan is just over there. Look, Ethan's over there. Let's show you guys Ethan because you guys want to see Ethan. Look, there's his big head. Oh no, what happened to Ethan? There you go. Sorry about that, guys. There's Ethan's big head over there. Ethan, you ready? You excited? Yeah? Yeah? It's not a picture. It's not a picture, it's a video. Okay. See, that's why it's funny. Unlike this one, this big head, she thinks she's funny.
I'm funny.
Funny looking.
You're just funny looking.
Funny looking.
You're funny looking.
Yeah, okay. Well, oh, it's all up my nose. Okay, there we go, there we go. There we go. Anyway, so we're just waiting for them to get on a plane right now. There's a lot of people here, so yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm busy like Drizzy, I don't got no time for these hoes, I know they miss me, yeah. I'm busy like Drizzy, I don't got no time, yeah. I'm busy like Drizzy, I don't got no time for these hoes, I know they miss me. I just wanna sign a couple deals like I'm Disney. I just wanna win a couple Grammys like I'm Whitney, yeah. Top down, rolling through the city, get the most play, girls be showing me they titties. Hella back in school when they all just used to diss me. Now they wanna kick it cause they know I got the big G's. Man, I got the big G's, and you know, yeah you know, man you know she on me. I be flexing, I be doing this so humbly. Like the way you moving, you be moving so seductively. Common sense and common, so I had to run with it. Mindset corrupted, we gon' make it if we stay productive. Outside sources tell me I'ma make it out. She be leaking, you can call that girl a spout, or a faucet. I'm busy like Drizzy, I don't got no time for these hoes, I know they miss me. I just wanna sign a couple deals like I'm Disney.
Bye.
Somebody dropped it. We don't know.
You don't know?
Look at that. Mine.
Probably.
My ears fell off.
Our bus is bigger. He's excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, he started complaining about the airplane ride because I think well, your ear hurt it. Yeah, I didn't even after he just passed out like because he didn't want to do the depression anymore. And we were just waiting for the bus to get going, and then after
Oh yeah, no seatbelts.
yeah, no seatbelts. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do for the day. So we're gonna find out. Hopefully we can get in like right away. That's the whole. But we'll see.